Abusia me cheche obi bia nyame sure say u follow me nyame sure say wa subscribe nyame sure so mi adoma no so o follow you so on Facebook nyame sure say Ghana ho do ewo mu nyame sure say wo Ghana ho adwempa nyame sure say u benya na Ghana fa no ntoma pafra abusia en ye hwehwe mumiema oman ni do no enwo ye mu mpanyifo no ma disappoint ya che enye nne enu be sha ase disappoint ye o ma disappoint ya che but then you say abebu a de pa ne sha achia emu ye you say Ghana achia enso emu ye mumma ye nsom mayema omumbu no ye somu no ni ye de ya no etum ni aka che o mo se empanyifo eni ekoso no ye ni nje ho we enisi give it up ene me ma distraction Ghana de bibia adeketo bi na distract ene ya to bibia atwene adeketo bi na distract ene ya to bibia atwene mum yenye focus ye gina ye so bibi mu a mum yenye focus ya sha se #fixGES ye to amusa ye give up ye to amusa ye give up uhwe video we abetima kohwe fix Ghana fix GES video na maya ato no we have to fix it. But onia say ye boa ye pese o man ye na ye push leadership no mese mumie nya ne kwampa so what I say mumie nya ne kwampa so ya mfa kwampa no so anya ade na ade ne be bia dan mpanyimfo se wamfa nto ho a efri to youth Mistramo eye good cause say mu be pray say mu constituency mu society mu kro amoteso no bro no amotes in leadership no be ye ne so mu ye aban ne be ye ne so pa mu memfa the right channel violence near tuturu asem na ye na ne adwira de enche yo ye be ya na innocent people pay ni akuno and it's not right what I say emboa mum use the right channel ni pushing panyifo no to do what they have to do ya anya sa ye be mo afo mo ho adi every time bia no use violence a police bebam soldier bebam and the issue would turn out to be bad but then the intentions was good adwen pona attach na good me ho video bia MPP for na omotia ba mu omo youth wo video na atwa gu no omu youth arise say omu hia djuma oman mu baby omu ewo no ehwaye din omu hia nyuma aho kire wo ho yes MPP for rise yes is good some rise against party na motoma omo no yes some rise but let's do it the right way abusia yes billboard na ekofom no seliwa she bowa nkrai holding tietia so Matieta so yabemado yamaso hwe mami bio tem oh wonderful obisha ehun hia to be honest ehun hia MPP second term on by afa no mko be 7 months what one first 4 years one hu hwe wasa akoto ama na another 4 years na dey na expecting 4 years na din kan na kura one impress one man second term krasa and I was at to man biem what did they tell you what did the MP tell you I was akoto abama no abusia you know your politics no youth no yanhwe ya ne ye bebre o ye ne ye bebre sometimes I wonder what we are thinking as youth na wakona MP na ma 500 cities like sebi what Jimmy and to ure fi say 4 years salary no the amount no busa ho say wono woje sen obeji monthly age car loan ni say 1% to say 0% ovia 4 years na chi no wasa kwotena age s gracious hundreds of thousands now they say what Jimmy na wo ma 500 Ghana na wonnim say nipa no 500 Ghana no the amount no 4 years salary no the amount na brother unko school dakra na wo de chichem 4 years no divide 500 cities by 4 years yen jais selfishness na leader nipa no wonya de manemba what I say onya de manemba and na maybe they say mututu billboard to show your displeasure fine but then this is not the right way to go about situation what I say munye demo peaceful one Me say demonstration ya na Akufo-Addo president otiase kumi preko on set a record. Me say what demo ase police for they will resist you but omo boa, don't give up. Omo boa, don't give up. Push. Masa, who community anyoma nko yi a me say mo listen anyoma na nko yi no. You know that is what at some point I lost track of Fix Ghana movement no. You know, and initially the things that you listed, some of the points were very important and very necessary. They are measures that you putting in place at Ebeboa. Now ya face Ghana din Vivi Akwada. Na sani ya preni ya kwada antemsa. Ya be fix the din. Hey, where's all my ye? Obeshani subi o ha se leader na nkasa di na chire on na ma commentary no. We MP ya no from no more 5,000 wakulu omo masa wonti biem wonti so you know eya common ibre enyoma we nyina ye fe no common ibre he chese aduane kakra wadi no hwe odi two billboard no na already nyakopon echi no youth you do they expect results? No, you wouldn't get what in mention I say abusia unya results no echi no push etu de ma billboard you see innocent we de ya hwe car no maami bi omo de billboard na ekokwan mu ho maami bi omo ko billboard na kobo no e na odi amika cross ye car ye atwami e na aye na pau wo de abusia hwe video ni din wo be hu se maami no hwe won se maami no etu amika ko you know etu ye na ba ko no so a odi anim no ho a o hye singlet white no just a billboard no omo to no omo wa gire na to ade na we ubraya one fear now the quarter. You know, we do this, hurt our own selves, kill our brothers, get our brothers killed, and now you taku jina kwamu no more shit ties. Master, what shit ties now? Police if one ebebaho. Leadership no would not get to listen. Your plight will not be heard. While as sem hiana kasano bien ho beti. Me say youth no let's rise. Yes, my yema impanyifo no endi sika ni nyina emmo kangu ho ema yen chirima no yema metua. Whether MPP or NDC or abusia yen fight them. By the time I yemra yen na yen take up no abusia me say na oman no ejina naso. Yen mo mro kaningu ho no mo nko. Omo mbro kaningu ho no mo nko. Na yen ma mefa yen ma me toa so. Na ye ho nkyere yen oman ka se na eti aka enya wo makono mo mu medi so what you say enti no mo me use the right channel abusuan youth no we should rise. I support greatly. We should rise, fix the country. Yes, and somebody be wo laudable e bi wo so I think say it's too high. What you say it's difficult to implement. You're pushing still. What do I say? I'm not the only sensible person. Nipa be bring about together a draft here, but then let's push the right agenda. Abushan Pacho, what I say? You push the right agenda through the right channel. Violence, ne, sir, to trust him, hey, ne, verbal abuse, the determinist animal. Abushan is unnecessary. Let's sebe, yemma and penifonu say we are mature, then we have brains to think. We are mature, then we have brains. You were agenda ye team. I yensu ye team de dwene. And say in your man koye, we can tell in your man koye. In as much as we are all doing this, along the line, we will also help in fixing. You push on. We will also come out with solutions. And no nebe boyen abusia and no nebe boyen sa to trust them demolition now peja we akoto abusia it doesn't make any difference. Use the right channel. Masem nyina say menka say they don't have right, but me dey say use the right channel on na agenda na enko. What you say me agenda ni hia me say na wo ye no agenda ni mom and sell it to the leaders. What you say to the leaders. I saw you to be MP and more common, they rejected it. Yes, almost show more displeasure in a very nice way. MP will sit down and come back and say, okay, you to naturally me bibi or match them is all give them the opportunity to put food on their own tables. You will never be there always to give them food. Yes, it's a nice way. It's a nice way of rejecting it. But then, sit the MP down and give them. Sit down with them. Tell them. Push. What they say, youth them not together. See, unity need to fight them. But let's do it the right way. I wish I made a say. Yamisha will be brave.